police has held flag marches in the areas near the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal before the Friday prayers, with the top official saying that watertight security has been put in place to prevent untoward incidents. The DM of Sambhal, Dr. Rajendra Pensia, has also taken part in the flag marches conducted by the police in Sambhal ahead of the Friday prayers. Let's now listen in.
नहीं, सभी जगह शांति है। हमारी बैठकें भी हो चुकी है और कल आपको प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी डिटेल से कमिश्नर सर ने आपको बताया था, तो कोई समस्या नहीं, आराम से जुमे की नमाज अदा की जाएगी और सब लोग सहयोग कर रहे हैं।
स्थिति सामान्य है। 16 कंपनी पीएसी, आरएएफ, आरआरएफ डिप्लॉयड है। सभी लोगों द्वारा सहयोग किया जा रहा है और जुम्मे की जो नमाज है शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से अदा की जाएगी। थैंक यू। सारे पॉइंट्स कवर्ड हैं। शहर में पूरे में फोर्स का डिप्लॉयमेंट है। मजिस्ट्रेट और हमारे जो पुलिसकर्मी हैं उन सबका ज्वाइंट डिप्लॉयमेंट किया गया है और शांति व्यवस्था व्याप्त है। मस्जिद कमेटी द्वारा भी वॉलंटियर्स दिए गए हैं, उनके सहयोग से शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से नमाज अदा।
All right, my colleague Abhishek Singh joins me live on the broadcast. As far as the security and the arrangements are concerned, to be made very closely in Sambhal. Abhishek, what is exactly the kind of arrangements, including barricading, putting up of drones and additional forces deployment that has been taken place in Sambhal? As we have heard, both the authoritative people, in fact the district manager and district magistrate and also the police, saying that there is absolute peace that has been maintained. But at this point of time, in fact, after the hearing, what is the kind of arrangement that can be seen on the ground in Sambhal?
Yes, at 1:20 is the time of the namaz, when the namazis are going to offer their namaz in the Shahi Jama Masjid. Approx 5,000 is the capacity, and the estimate from the local administration, which are being prepared for the local administration, that police deployment, heavy police deployment is being done. 14 companies of PAC, Rapid Action Forces and RRF are being deployed, and senior officers are himself in the march past. DIG, ADG range and other officers, other senior officers are himself monitoring the whole area, and they have been clearly identified the area, the sensitive areas which are minority populated, and at that places barricadings are being done. Especially the local administration have talked to the Muslim Dharma Gurus that down the line the message should be very clear. Nobody should listen to the rumor mongerings, and this is the reason why the internet connections are being stopped till date also. Now after the namaz, it is very clear that things will be normalized in Sambhal, and also the local administration and the Muslim Dharma Gurus are also floating the messages down the line that nobody should take cognizance of any kind of rumor mongerings, or anybody who wants to disturb the peace. The people should firstly tell the administration about those people. Also, more than 700 people are being identified behind the violence, and the posters are very soon are going to be pasted in different places, so that those people who have created this violence and those people who are being identified in the visuals and the CCTV cameras should be detained and arrested by the police.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.